Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. That's the Scout out there, the MB. And today we are working on the Kubota swap for our vehicles. Sorry, kind of having brain fog right now. I can't talk. Anyways, I pulled the F head out, or the flat head out. I haven't even worked on it because I've been working on the Kubota here. So to recap, we got the turbo drain plug, or the turbo drain hole drilled and got the plug tapped in. Got the new exhaust manifold on the new studs, clearance that for the turbo. Got the dipstick in, cut the old oil filter off, made a new, well, modified this bracket. So it's got two holes. We'll run that to a remote filter. Replaced took out the fuel cutoff solenoid and just replaced it. It's got an O-ring in here, so that's just a plate that goes over it. And I think we'll probably make a cable or something to pull that. The throttle, one of these days we're going to pull the throttle apart and adjust the governor and adjust the fuel. But today, this is what we're working on. We're going to change the thermostat housing, and we're going to use this one that has the port for the temperature sender, because I want to use a mechanical sender. So that's what we're going to use. Actually, I already have the mechanical sender, so mechanical sender's in there. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, and last thing, we changed out the valve cover so that we have a valve cover that has a oil fill tube on it. It's got an O-ring in there and it's not coming out. So anyways, so that's where we're at. Today we're doing the thermostat housing, so let's get to it. I gotta get my gloves on though. Alright, these might be 12s. The last few have been 12s. Good guess. And we'll take this off. Actually, does the other one? Yeah, the other one has it. Hopefully the thermostat's good, because I didn't buy a new one. I mean, I guess I could at this point still. Alright, thermostat is just going to go right back in because I don't have another thermostat. Hopefully the gasket holds up too, because I didn't buy another gasket. Let's give it an extra little on that. Put the hose back on. All right, so now we need to find something to fit in there, and I think I have something. But tell me, like, this is my junk drawer for parts, but I put all my brass pieces in here. And if I use any, like if I buy a new gauge and I take, that's probably too small, way too small. So if I buy a new gauge, I take the old parts from the old gauge and the old brass fittings and put them in here. And then look at that. Look at that. That is it. That is it. So I put all my old parts in there. Oh yeah. Let's switch hands here. This, absolutely. Look at that. Perfect. That threads right in. I'm just going to put some pipe dope on here and thread this in, because I can leave this, I can thread this in and then just leave it. And then when I put it in, I can reroute the gauge. Because right now I think my gauge was in the back. But I left, I mean, it's got enough of that it should go forward. So yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, let's. All right, let's put this in. All right, that is, well, that was shining right in my eyes. Sorry. That's tonight's project, changing the thermostat housing and the whatever this is actually called. But yeah, still got a lot to do. Still waiting for the actual adapter to show up. The adapter is going to bolt on the back. It's got a new flywheel, new plate here that the bell housing and stuff's going to fit on. But like I said, he did send this Overland Diesel. Got the adapter. So we're making progress, getting there. Still got a number of things to do. But yeah, anyways, that's it for tonight. So like, follow, subscribe, share with your friends. If you guys are doing a diesel swap or a Kubota swap, like, tag me below. I'd love to see what everybody else is doing. But yeah, that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.